Welcome to this Mindly 5-minute yoga meditation. We have thought about our listeners who do not have YouTube Premium and have taken care to ensure that no advertisements will interrupt your meditation session. Okay, here we go. We'll be combining yoga's most cherished postures with mindful meditation, making it playful and invigorating. As we dive into each pose, we'll also dive deeper into ourselves. 1. Mountain pose, also known as Tadasana. Begin standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. Feel the earth beneath your toes and heels. As you stand here like a mountain, imagine being deeply rooted to the earth, stable, strong, unshakable. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel the vastness and stillness of the mountains within you. Two, tree pose, also known as Vrikshasana. Shift your weight onto your right leg. Place your left foot on your inner right thigh, palms pressed together at heart center. As you find your balance, visualize yourself as a tree. Your foot is the root, your arms the branches. Feel a gentle sway like branches in the breeze. Embrace the wind of challenges, knowing they only make you stronger. Three, cat-cow stretch, also known as Marjaryasana Bitilasana. Come down onto your hands and knees, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone towards the sky for cow. Feel the openness, the receptiveness. Exhale, round your back, tucking your chin for cat. Embrace the protection and self-care. Flow between these two, dancing between giving and receiving. Four, child's pose, also known as Balasana. From your hands and knees, push your hips back, extending your arms forward, forehead resting on the mat. Like a child surrendering to a nap, let go of any effort. In this restful embrace, remember a time when everything was simple, playful, and full of wonder. Five, downward facing dog, also known as Adho Mukha Svanasana. From child's pose, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back. Feel the stretch from your palms to your heels. As you press into the earth, imagine you're pushing away any doubts or worries. Your body forms an upside-down V, a viewpoint shift. Ponder a challenge in your life from this fresh angle. Slowly come to a seated position, legs crossed, hands on your knees. With each posture, you've journeyed into a playful dance of introspection. Let's seal this session with 3 deep breaths. Before we part, if there's a particular theme you'd like a meditation on, do let us know in the comments below and we'll create it for you. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to the Mindly channel. Thank you for sharing this time with us. And remember, you are capable of anything.